So this is a laser security alarm that I built. It's a prototype, mind you, so it's not gonna be really optimized, but it gets the job done for now. I wanted to make a video showcasing the different features of this, so let's get into it. So I'm powering this with these two lithium-ion batteries, which is connected to this USB Type-C charging circuit, and the battery voltage is going in the buck converter. This is a step-down buck converter, which is outputting a constant 5 volts to power all of these components right here. So as I said, it's a laser security alarm. The laser diode is right here. The photoresistor is right here. I can adjust the brightness of the sensitivity of the photoresistor using this potentiometer right here. And if I turn it on, we can see the laser is pointing at the photoresistor right there. I think you can see that. And if I create a break, it turns the buzzer on. It's really loud. It turns the buzzer on, and it does not turn off, like no matter how many times the laser is broken, or if the laser is back on the photoresistor again, like it is right now, but the alarm is still on. So to turn it on, I have to either turn off the device and turn it on again, or I can just press the reset button right here. So in the display, as you can see, it says Wi-Fi connecting. It's trying to connect to the default Wi-Fi that I coded in, like that's my main home Wi-Fi, but I'm far away from it, so it's unable to connect to it right now. So what I can do is I'm gonna connect to this Wi-Fi router right here, this old one right here, for demonstration purposes. So I'm gonna hold down the left and right button together for 5 seconds, I believe, and it will take me to a menu where I can enter a new SSID for a new Wi-Fi network. And then I can, after typing this in, I can confirm it, and then I can type in the password to connect to a new Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna type in the credentials for the router that I just showed you. Give it a sec, I'll be back. So I have typed in the new SSID, which is ESP test, which is the name of my router. So I can navigate the menus using these left right button. This is the left, this is the right, this is the up, this is the down, and this is the select button. And after typing in the new Wi-Fi name, I can hold these two buttons down, let go, and then it will confirm it, and then it will tell me to enter the new password. So I can navigate the menus using the navigation buttons right here, and I'll type in the password. So I put the cursor on the character, press the select button. It's E S P test 1 2 3, which is my password for my router. And after that, I will hold these two buttons down again, let go. It will connect to the new Wi-Fi, and right there it says Wi-Fi connected. Now it's trying to authenticate the SMTP. It will connect to the SMTP server, and then it will send the email through the given email in the code. It will send me an email alert when the laser is broken. So right here we can see it's successfully logged in and it's standing by. So it's armed basically. And now if I break the laser, it will turn on the alarm and it will say email sending right here. I'm holding the buzzer right now with my finger so it doesn't get too loud. So it says email sending right here. So we have to just give it a sec. It depends on how fast it sends the email on the internet connection. So if your internet speed is more, the email will be sent faster. My internet is pretty slow, so it's gonna take a second. So right there it says successfully sent email, and I can see on my phone that the email just arrived. I have included the screenshot in the instructables, the email it sends. I'll put it in the video as well, but yeah, I cannot show it to you because I'm using my phone to currently record this. Yeah, that is the basic functionality of this device. Thank you.